Now that we've created all of our symmetrical detail, let's create something a bit unique and add a character's face into the center of this vase. First, let's turn off our symmetry. So I'll scroll down to the Transform palette, click Activate Symmetry to turn that off. So I'm working with a single point. Now what I'm going to do is hold down the Shift key, and you notice when I do that my cursor turns blue, and that'll allow me to smooth out some of this detail. You don't have to remove all of it. Let's just kind of smooth down some of this high-res detail so we can make room for our face. Okay, once that's smoothed out, we want to go ahead and select a face that we can work with. So I'll go up to Load Tool here in my tool palette. I'm going to click on Demo Head and then click Open. Once I do that, the demo head will load into the canvas. And we want to take this character's face and project it directly onto that vase. So now that this demo head is loaded in, I'll go back over to my tool icon here and click on the vase. Position that the way I want. Hold down Shift to snap it into place. And we're going to go over to our brush palette and select a brush called Z Project. This is going to allow us to project that face directly onto the vase. Now that the vase is the active tool inside my canvas, I'm going to go over to my subtool palette and open that up. Again, you'll notice the vase is the only subtool that we have here. I'm going to go down to Append, click on that, and then click on Demo Head. The demo head will show up inside my scene, but you'll notice it's kind of stuck directly inside my vase. So let's go ahead and fix this. I'm going to make sure that the demo head is the selected subtool. Let me move things over a little bit. And now that the demo head is selected, I'm going to go up to Move. Make sure I have symmetry turned off. And I'm going to click and drag an action line. I'll click inside the center circle and just click and drag that demo head over to the left. Let's click on Rotate. Again, I'm going to click and drag to draw in an action line. And then I'll just click on the end circle here so that I can rotate this head down. Redraw my action line. Click on the center and the bottom circles to position it how you like. Good. And then once I have that positioned and rotated the way I want, I'm actually going to click on Scale. I'll redraw my action line. And I'll click inside the top circle to scale this up proportionately. Now that you have that facing in the same direction that you want to project it on the vase, and we have our Z Project brush selected, all we need to do is go over into our subtool palette, select our vase, click the Move icon, and then we're just going to click and drag points from our vase over to our character. Choose a semi-low spot like the character's cheek. Once you have that selection made, you can go up to Draw, and then you can simply just paint the character's face in on the vase. We'll just kind of paint a half face in here just to make it look interesting. Once you have the detail painted in that you want, you can go over into your subtool palette, select the demo head, and simply hit Delete. Now you have an ancient looking vase with symmetrical detail and some projected detail on it as well.